What's up? This is DJ John and this is What's Cooking. It's garden spinach ricotta ravioli. And it's a HelloFresh meal kit and it's gonna be delicious, I can just tell. It uses zucchini ribbons. Betty's gonna slice the long zucchinis into these ribbons and it makes it real nice. Also, this is a vegetarian meal. This is how I made it. All right, tonight, ladies and gentlemen, we're making garden spinach ricotta ravioli with zucchini ribbons, tomato, and creamy lemon sauce. And these are the ingredients right here on the table. 2 zucchinis, 4 scallions, some spinach ricotta ravioli, a couple of packets of veggie stock concentrate, a half a cup of Parmesan cheese, 2 Roma tomatoes, a couple of lemons, some Italian seasoning, and 4 little packets of sour cream. This is how they do it, making spinach ricotta ravioli. It's a HelloFresh meal kit meal. As you can see, the spinach and ricotta ravioli has puffed up very nicely. It's time to drain it. I'm going to save some of the pasta water for the sauce. Okay, I'm going to turn this on over medium heat. Put a few drizzles of olive oil in there. And now I'm going to saute the veggies that Video Betty cut up. Okay, what you're looking at right now, my friend, are 2 zucchinis, 2 Roma tomatoes, 4 scallions, 2 lemons, and I want to thank Video Betty for doing such a great job of chopping up all these vegetables. And remember, tonight I'm making garden spinach ricotta ravioli with these beautiful zucchini ribbons, some Roma tomatoes, and a creamy lemon sauce. I'm going to squeeze a couple of these lemons in here. Ooh. And give it a little bit of a stir. Remember the pasta water that I saved? Well, I'm going to add about 1/3 of a cup to this right here. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of ground pepper and a little bit of salt. Now it's time to stir in the zucchini ribbons. And what you do is you kind of take them like this and just kind of sprinkle them in like that. Beautiful, eh? You know, I think I'm going to put a lid on these and kind of steam them for a little bit. Now I'm going to stir in these packets of sour cream that came with the meal kit. That's 2 tablespoons of Italian seasoning. Now I'm going to stir the sauce together right now. And I see the zucchini ribbons are softening up quite a bit. Okay, so I'm going to add the ravioli right now. Now I have this on low. And I'm just going to let it simmer in there for a few minutes. And pretty neat, huh? Spinach and ricotta ravioli with zucchini ribbons, Roma tomatoes, and this sauce that I made, the lemon sauce. There it is. Please subscribe and like my video if you would, please. Certainly would appreciate it. That is very, very good.